dogs, 124, go ahead. So we're out here in eastern Montana today hunting prairie dogs, and we have the Sig BDX system. And what that is a Sig rangefinder, which is the Kilo 3000 range-finding binos. And it communicates with the scope, the Sierra BDX, and this happens to be a 3.5 to 10 on a 22-250. So what we have here is a Bluetooth connection through the app on my phone, which is right here in my phone scope. So via the app, both devices connect, and I'm ranging with the binos. The range is sending the information to the scope, and then the reticle in the scope adjusts accordingly to the range, because my specs to my 22-250 are preloaded in the app in the device. We're just gonna put the BDX system to use and see how many prairie dogs we can kill. So 286.
Yes! Again!
That got him.